Good morning, everyone. Today we're diving into a world that's changing the way we work, create, and solve problems. Artificial intelligence, AI, isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's a powerful tool that's reshaping industries, and it's here to stay. Let me start by asking, what comes to mind when you hear the word AI? Maybe robots? Or something more like a helper? Think of it as a smart assistant, one that can answer questions, write stories, design images, or even translate languages. It's not magic, but it's incredibly useful. Now, here's the thing. AI doesn't require any technical skills. You don't need to be a coder or a data expert. We'll start simple, like learning how to use a tool, and gradually move to bigger ideas. The goal isn't to let AI do everything for you. It's to use it as a partner. Imagine having a teammate who can automate repetitive tasks, analyze data, or even help you build a website. That's AI in action. Why should you care? Because AI is already making a difference. From streamlining workflows to creating digital products, it's opening up new possibilities. Whether you're looking to save time, boost productivity, or even start a business, AI can be your ally. Throughout this course, we'll explore tools like ChatGPT, Canva AI, and HeyGen. These aren't just fancy apps, they're practical solutions that can help you work smarter. But let's be clear, AI isn't here to replace people. It's here to enhance what we do. The key is knowing how to use it effectively. Before we wrap up, I want you to reflect. Have you ever used AI before? Which tools have you heard of? And what do you hope to achieve with it? Share your thoughts in the comments. Next, we'll explore how generative AI works, like how it creates content or designs images. It's a fascinating journey, and I can't wait to walk you through it. Keep your curiosity alive, and let's move on.